Hey guys, Skip and Mike here, and it's time to build the super timber. Sorry it's been a while. Mike works a third shift, so lots of hours, weird hours, so it's kind of hard to coincide with these guys lately. They both were working different hours and stuff. But we're going to go ahead and put this together. We'll do it in speed fashion, so hang tight. So how's it going, Mike? Well, we're working on the landing gear. You can see that, guys. That's obviously going to be the toughest part of this job.
See if you can find it.
Hold tight. We'll find this screw. Hold on. Just kidding. Coffee. Got it. What they say? It's a small hole. Put a little around it. You can find it, right? Get there.
I got it, but
We'll see you guys in a minute here, guys. Get it rolling. So Mike, we're all done here. Guys, this is a nice plane. It's got kind of a brushless in-runner slash outrunner motor. It's really cool. It's pretty beefy. But it looks like a radial engine from the front, and you'll notice when you get it that the outer part does not turn. But there's a center. It just really looks like
can't see it now.
like an in-runner.
I covered it up.
Nice looking plane. Nice looking plane. Be looking forward to getting this
The landing gear was a pain in the ass.
Yeah, landing gear was a pain.
Little bitty screws, big fat fingers.
Again, Mike wanted to put a thanks out to John out there at Horizon Hobby in Rockford, guys.
Yep, thank you, John.
Gave him a good price on the plane, and
he set my radio up.
he set his radio up for him, so we don't have to do that. Yeah,
We still gotta bind it.
We'll bind it and check it out, though. Make sure it's right.
Thanks again, John. I love your hobby shop.
Thanks for joining us, guys. We'll be getting together here real soon and get Marty's Promoto out there, and he's got another plane to fly. And I'll be joining the crew this time, too. Coming up
some
soon.
Helicopters and some planes and...
We'll be having some fun. Crash Test Boys are getting it on again. Bye for now.